Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and I filmed this whole video without the mic on. I've opened it up, and I think this is the February box, alright? No, the March box, because in case you don't know, in February I received 3 LookFantastic boxes. No idea what the hell was going on, but something was. So I will refilm the video and show you all the products. Now, spoiler, it is not my favorite box. I'm actually kind of disappointed in it, but anyways. First thing that I showed you was this one here. I'm using the exact same thing. So keep in mind we had this one before. This is the counter of we had this before. The exact same thing. So this is the brush works. It's got massager brush. I'm zoom it in so you can see it. I'm sure you've seen this before. And like I said, I'm using this because we really received this. God, I don't know, a year or so ago, or maybe longer. It's nice to have. So I will probably sell this. It's still sealed. I will sell this, no big deal. Then I think I showed you this one, which was a pain in the butt to use. This is the Ciate London Sweet Kiss Illuminating Blush. It looks like this. It's giving me Orgasm by NARS vibes. I put it on. All the shine you see is this. There's more shine than blush itself. But yeah, I think it looks nice. And the thing is, I had so much trouble getting this out of the packaging because it's very, very snug. Like, it's... See, when you open it up, it's not even coming out. Now it is, and it's probably broken. Oh, it's not. Oh, I had a lot of trouble with getting this out, but I think I like the way this looks. I have to see once I have so many other blushes to use. We're not gonna talk about it, but I see when I get to it. Will I use it as an actual blush, or will I use it more as a topper / highlighter? Because yes, you can see a bit of color through. I didn't have any blush on before I used this. So yes, whatever color you see is this, when you see more shimmer and highlighter, then you can see blush. So yeah, I will definitely use it. It's not a bad product. I mean, what can I say about a product that I used once? But so far, it's not that bad. And like I said, once I get to it, I will tell you whether I fully like it, or maybe I can use it as a night shadow. Yeah, we'll see. This I like. Then another thing that I'm getting rid of, because we had the same thing before. Second one now. The Lotte London loose powder in brightening pink. Very, very light pink, right? It's not like in your face, but it's still there. It's basically the lid color here. Right, and I don't use loose powder. I have a huge tub that I bought years ago, and I'm still working on that. I'm not a fan of loose powder. I was not a fan of colored loose powder. I will sell this. I had the same thing before, as I said, and I sold it, so I will also do the same thing with this. Not my favorite. Then, should we continue with the things that we had before? Because the next 3 products are... Actually, this is the Bondi Sands Face SPF 50+, with the stick on, that I removed in the first walkthrough. I've received this last month. Literally the same thing. I'm currently using that one. And I remember I was also annoyed by the sticker that was on there, and I peeled it off in the video. It's the same thing. I received this now 3 times in the last 2 months. I got this one. I had it last month in the small version, and I had it also last month in one of the 3 LookFantastic boxes in the big version. What was it, 50 milliliters? I'm not really sure. The same thing, SPF 50 face. What the hell? Is this just a recycled box of things that they didn't sell? What's going on? Maybe I actually received a box that was not meant to be sold or shipped that early? I have no idea, but I definitely have this one. And I'm confusing, like I said, so I will also use this one. It's only 10 milliliters. It's not a big of a deal. I use it every single day. It's sunscreen. And it's SPF 50+. It's great, but we've had this before. Then I'm going to continue on with another thing that we had already. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Elemis Frangipani Monoi Shower Cream. We definitely had this one before. Not in the last boxes, but like last year, like late last year, maybe October, November. Because I remember saying, because we got, maybe it was the December one as well, I'm not really sure. I remember saying that yes, it smells absolutely amazing. And I've used this one up. It's great. But I remember saying that this is more a spring summer scent for me personally, but I will also use it in fall and winter because I don't really care. But it smells more summery. Yes, so I had this exact same thing before. Listen, I don't have a problem with them recycling things and giving me the same things over and over again, but this one, I got 3 of them in 2 months. You know what I mean? This one, it has been a while since we've received this one. Sure, I get it. But it's still a duplicate, right? Same for this. Like, if you have like a year or so in between, where people can actually use it up, or maybe, like me, forget about things that they had before, it's nice, but having them so close together, I'm not really a fan of that. And then, last but not least, we have the James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body. A tanning lotion. I will not keep this. I'm not really a fan of it, and hold on, I'm going to zoom in for this. It looks like someone has used this already. Can you see? Ugh. Maybe it's just the product leaking, and, you know, given the fact that it was out in the air. Yeah, I don't know. I want to sell this, but given the fact that it looks used, no. I wanted to put it into the public bookshelf, but that is gone. I don't know what happened, but it's not there anymore, so I'm getting rid of this, definitely. I will probably keep it around for a bit. Maybe the bookshelf comes back. Yeah, I will not use this. So, out of all the things that we got, I'm going to use 3 things, 2 of which we've received in the last 6 months, and then 1 blush. Maybe, hold on, maybe there's a product underneath that I haven't seen. Nope. It's everything that's in the box. Like, no offense, but this is just not a good box. If this is the first box you ordered, you might be happy about it, right? I mean, this is cool to use, and then you have a shower gel, and blush, and all, and powder and all. But if you've been subscribed to that box for as long as I have been, it's just very repetitive, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. I can literally use health. What did I know was 7 products in? Am I tripping? Were there always 6 products then? Yeah, well, 3 I won't use with the powder, and then 3 I will use. And listen, I was so excited that I finally had this one empty. Well, there's still a bit left, but I've been working on that for 2 weeks now, because you don't need a lot. It's just for your face and neck. And a little goes a long way, right? So I was so happy to finally use this up and buy a new one, maybe from another brand. There's nothing wrong with this, but I like to switch things up a little. And now I have another one. And keep in mind, I still have the huge bottle, like the 50 milliliters bottle, to use. Let me know if you ever tried any of these products before. I mean, you know, it's a sunscreen, it's a shower gel, and it's a blush. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you next one.